Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to easily install a toilet. For those of you that are new, my name is Nasreen, and if you like good home tips and DIY videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you'll notice, the flange is lower than the floor. It should be level or just a little bit higher. And to fix this issue, I've seen a lot of different methods used. I've seen people use 2 wax rings together. I've seen people use a spacer with a wax ring on top, like that. I've seen people use the jumbo wax ring, but today I'm going to be trying something different. The green gasket. It's waxless. It says it's flexible and resilient and moves with the toilet. It allows multiple attempts at setting the toilet. Very easy to stack for deep flanges, and it holds the bolts up and the gasket in place. So I'm really excited to try this. First, I'm going to knock out the cap. Should come right out. Put it in the trash. Ooh, there's spider webs down there. Ooh. The kit comes with these bolts and lock washers. I'm gonna slide it down and put it into the keyhole. Right there, and then slide it the rest of the way. Now we're gonna do the other one. Can't be a sissy. Gotta use your muscles. Like my blue gloves? They're pretty blue. Now I'm gonna put the green gasket on. Line it up with the bolts. I'm gonna push the flap down. Now I'm going to pick the toilet up and line it up with the bolts. And this is a brand new toilet, so I don't have to worry about wearing gloves to touch it. You got to be very careful so you don't crack the toilet. Got it right there. Floors are not always perfectly level. If your toilet happens to be a little wobbly, they have these toilet shims you can use. Shim shimmery, shim shimmery, shim 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 shim. Let's say, for example, one side is higher than the other. You want to take your shim and place it under the side that needs to be raised up. Once you tighten everything down, you cut the extra off with the razor blade. Now I'm going to put the white base cap that comes with the toilet, and then the washer and the nut. Just put lotion on so it makes it slippery. Now I'm going to do the other side. Put the washer, the nut, tighten it down but not too tight. Now I'm going to tighten each side down a little bit at a time until it's snug. Now I'm going to take the cap and snap it on. Everything in the tank already came assembled. I just have to put the gasket on the bottom, right there, and then line it up with the holes on the base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whew, broke a sweat. Now I'm going to tighten each side of the bowl down with this washer and this wing nut. Almost done. First, I'm going to put the plastic washer in, then the seat bolt. On the bottom, I'm going to put the seat washer followed by the lock nut. Now I just need to put the caps on. Now I'm going to take this connector and hook it up to the toilet and the water supply. Now I'm going to slowly turn the water on to check for any leaks. There goes slowly. Keep your fingers crossed. Let's fill it up. So the water filled up and nothing seems to be leaking anywhere. Now I'm going to give it the first flush. Yeah! We're good. Give myself a round of applause. Bravo, bravo! I never thought I'd be so happy putting in a toilet, but it feels amazing when you do it yourself. If you ended up putting shims under here, it may be a good idea to caulking glue the bottom. This is a Jacuzzi brand toilet. It costs about $180. It's a 12-inch by 17 height elongated bowl. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's the perfect fit. See? You know, I was kind of skeptical about using the green gasket, but it made the toilet installation super easy and I'd highly recommend it. As always, all the tools and materials I use are in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. It says it's wackless. It's wacklet. Oh. Okay. Forgot what I said completely. Like my green gloves. Oops. Like my blue gloves. And it holds the bolts up and the gasket in place. Ew, my hair got wet. Good thing it hasn't been used yet. I'm gonna hug my porcelain throne that I put in myself. I got makeup on there. Another thing you didn't know about me is that I'm a ventriloquist. Everybody subscribe to Nasreen's DIY. See you guys on my next project.